Good afternoon. Welcome to Pagan Pathways with Jessica. And yes, this video is very late. And I have a reason for that. Because I forgot. I forgot to post today's video. Now, originally I did have a video already recorded, but I deleted it because it was on the coronavirus. And to be frank, I am so tired of hearing it. I will touch briefly and very briefly on this. All the doomsday and political stuff and the economy stuff. I am so tired of hearing about it. This is the way I view it, okay? One, everything we need to do to protect ourselves is pretty much common sense and what we have to do every year to protect from every virus that's ever came every single year. Two, I believe in the energy vibrations that we put out there is what surrounds us and what the universe sends us more of. So, is there a cause for concern? Sure there is. But do we need to be panicking and freaking out about everything? I don't think we do. And I just don't live life that way. So it's difficult for me to see all of the negative stuff everywhere. So I decided not to do a video and I'm not going to talk about it anymore. That was my own little ramble right there. And that was more than enough. So let me start out with a really fun thing. On my Facebook group, Pagan Pathways, which I'll link down in the description, along with my Instagram and my Facebook page called Pagan Pathways. So if you're interested in those, you can just go to the link, click it, and then, you know, go join or like or whatever you want to do. Anyhow, so in my group, I have created a thing called the Crafty Witchy Blind Swap. How that works is May 1st, everybody that's involved will send a box of their homemade crafty items to another witch. If you're interested in that, please click on the link to the group, join, and then in the topics tab section, which you can see on your phone or on the computer, it'll be labeled Crafty Witchy Blind Swap. And if you're interested, then on the post where it says you're interested, click I'm joining or I want in or whatever, and there you go. And the rest of the rules and stuff are under that tab as well, so you'll be able to see all that. Yeah, so as a regular discussion for Monday, I really don't have anything because what I did have, I deleted and then I forgot to make another one. But I will touch on this. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, then you probably know that I went to LA on Saturday. We didn't go there to be touristy or to go check everything out. We went there for business. And I have never been to LA before. Actually, this is my first time being in California. And so I was kind of excited to go down and see the city. But once we got there, everything changed. The homeless population and homeless everywhere is incredibly, it's wow. I can't. I wonder if anybody has any ideas of what we as a pagan community can come together to do to try to help with some of this. One last thing I want to touch on. I would like to do a video answering my viewers' questions. So if you have a question, please put it down in the comment section. All right, witches. Okay, as you could tell, my camera cut off, and I was just saying I was finishing up. But I do want to reiterate, if you have a question for me, please make sure you stick it down in the comments. And I want, like I said, want to do a video answering people who view my videos, their questions. All right, so that's it. We're going to get out of here. I hope everybody has a fantastic week, and look forward to Wednesday and Thursday's video. Those are already done and pre-uploaded. I was supposed to do that for this entire week, and this is what happened. I hope you did enjoy this little ramble or rant or whatever you want to call it, and we'll talk soon, witches.